There go our car. It's gone. Well, it's going to Ford. Bye, car.
Is it coming back?
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to Sheehy?
No, not Sheehy.
Ford.
A different one.
I'm gonna have it.
What's up, pudding cakes? Today's Sunday. And we're going to Lowe's. We're going to Lowe's to go get a lawnmower, an edger, a blower, all that good stuff. I'm tired of spending money. I don't think anybody would be like, oh, I'm so tired of spending money, because a lot of people like to spend money, except for the people that like to save. But I'm tired of spending money. And yeah, I'm tired of spending money. Let's say that again. Yesterday we purchased the girls' dresser and their nightstand. Still have to get paint, curtain rods, all that good stuff, you know, all the good stuff that comes with owning a house and stuff. So we have to do all that, and it's no fun. It's really no fun, but hey, to each their own, you know. So, but a funny story is, and I will tell you guys, our neighbors, oh my lord, there's something else. When I tell you drama, I mean drama.com. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep my space and let them do them, you know. There's only one neighbor that we get along with. Well, let's not just say get along with. There's only one neighbor that has consistently be who they are. They haven't changed since we moved in. But anyways, that's a different story for another day. I'll talk to you guys later. Maddie, stop. Maddie.
There's something.
Destiny, don't do that. Maddie, drive your tractor. It's not a tractor. It's a lawnmower. Get it, man. Huh? Why do you have on one glove? I got this guy. I want to try this guy. Let's see if it works. I found these. The barkeeper's friend. I got 2 bottles, and then I found this guy. I don't know about this one. I should probably get one of these. Guys, I'm a horrible vlogger. I don't know why I'm like that, but I'm just horrible. Last thing I remember was yesterday was Sunday when we were going out somewhere. Today's Monday, didn't do jack anything more than clean my closet, and still have that there to pick up before Mr. Albornoz get home. He should be here any minute now. But anyways, last night I left the sprinkler running in the backyard. I was watering the side of the yard, and I accidentally forgot to turn it off. So our neighbor texted us around after 12 and was like, hey, I think you guys left your side sprinkler on. And Marcelo was like, what? Because we bought a timer to put the front and the back, because we're going on vacation for a week, on timer. So we're like, no way, they're on the timer. But I didn't realize that the back, we didn't put that on a timer because we have to get a water meter, and where we live you get a discount for watering your lawn, so you get that back at the end of the year. So we have to get an extra one, so that one, the side of the yard and part of the back, is not on a timer. So needless to say, we wasted all that water overnight, all yesterday. My brain. We're getting ready to go get a timer again. This house is sucking the money out of us like people. Every time I look around, we need something. We need something. We need this. We need that. We need this. Like, you guys couldn't prepare me for this. Nobody could prepare me for any of this. Like, I wasn't ready. I'm not ready. I'm still not ready. But anyways, let me show you guys a sneak peek of my closet. I'm gonna get a closet system, but for right now, this thing looks better than what it was. So, Maddie! Mr. Albornoz gets from here to right here is my husband, and then from here all the way over here, all the way over here is my side, and I still have a box to unpack. I have this box to unpack, figure out where those are going. I went crazy with the letterboard lettering, and I've never used them. Almost a year now. I have a problem. Can you trash it? Yeah. What is it? Are those memories, like memories that I want to show my grandbabies when? What? We don't get to make those kind of executive decisions. Please, they're old. We have to talk about it, Gio. They're old. I know they're old, but we have to talk about it. Like, look at this. These are nice artwork. We have to talk about it. Mommy have serious issues when it comes to her children's artwork. Look at that. Oh my word. No, can we put it down? And maybe we could put it in Daddy's man cave, okay?
Right here?
Maddie brought me shoe.
Mom, right here?
No, put it in your room. Put that mess in your room. I need to get Maddie dressed so we can be ready when my husband get home. I need to pick up this clutter. I need to clean Madison's room. I need to make their dresser. I got their dressers and their nightstands, and I need to get that going, and I need to dress Miss Mad. Right, Maddie?
Mommy, show them my dresser.
Oh, we made her, here.
I mean, show them my nightstand.
Here, go show them your stuff.
How do you hold it like that? Okay. So, I'll show you my nightstand. I already decorated it right now. Maddie, so, Mommy and Daddy made my nightstand, and it's really pretty. And I just have a few things here. I just decorated it with some few stuff. And then here I have a couple of things to put back and forth. Yeah. And then I have a couple of books and things. Yeah. And then Mommy made my bed as well. And then she brought me some sheets yesterday. And pillowcase yesterday. And that's what it is. And my nightstand. So, yeah, that's all I have, really. And then my room. And then that's it. Yeah, my nightstand and my bed sheets. So I'm gonna give it back to Mommy. Really weird lighting here. So dark. Here you go, Mommy. Oh, go show him. Okay. So, Jackson wants to show his room. So, tell us about your room. My room. I have a bed that I got naked. This is my stuff that I can sit on and read. My shirt that's folded. And some books. Some what? And some books. Just one? He went to kindergarten. So cute. I have one too. There's only 3. And then he has some books over here. What's this? Folded shirts. You have to hang up. What's this clutter? Okay, good. Wow, nice room. Yeah, the closet. Messy. Not really messy, just shoes and things. Okay, let me go put this back to Mom. This room to go. And there we go.
Guys, look at this. This is a doll chair. And Madison done turned it into her thing.
Her old chair when she don't like it.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, I've been, don't mind the mess, I built this for Madison. It took me 1 hour. I still have to get her lamp and some accessories to go on here. Gotta clean it up because she just makes a mess. I still haven't painted her bed yet, but I hung her curtains like I told you guys. And her dresser, I'm not that ambitious yet. I put together Destiny's, and there's just boxes everywhere. Okay. So, this is Miss Destiny. I put it together the other night. I'm so proud of myself, all by myself. And this is her nightstand. It's nice and cute and kind of girly. But I need to get her a lamp, get all this junk off of here because all those little tiny things are not staying there. In her bed, I made her bed too. I'm trying to give her like a farmhouse kind of, you know, thing. Still coming together. Still need her bedding, all that good stuff. And I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna show you guys. I am so excited to show you guys. I haven't been vlogging like I should, but hey, you know, trying to put this house together. And ta-da! I painted, guys. I painted this bathroom. I don't want to turn the light on because I know it's gonna thing, but I still haven't changed the light fixture. I'm going to, and I need to touch up the paint on the baseboard. I didn't paint the ceiling, and I need to touch up that little spot right there. And so this is Flint by Bear, and I hung this shelf right here, and I need a picture for right here. I don't know what I'm going to put there yet, but and I need to paint these guys black. But this is what it's looking like. Let's see the light. Oh, I told you it was gonna wash it out. But hi, Gio. He's not happy because they had to come in. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna edit the video right now and give it to you guys. I still haven't done anything with this room. My plans are to put 2 IKEA desks like this one, 2 of them right there, one for my computer, reading area for the kids, some shelf with some books and stuff, a sitting area right here with a table, a bench right here. Under here I still have to get some hooks right there, and I still haven't purchased the ceiling lamp. So that's my plan. I don't know if it's gonna work, but that's what I want to do. I'll talk to you guys later.